So why did you pick solar and why did you pick Tesla in particular?
I was using a lot of electric, generally about £220 a month, and I picked Tesla because I looked at all the systems, I got multiple quotes, and Tesla seemed to be the best one with the best warranty for the cycles that you can do on it, and it's got the off-grid capability as well.
So what benefits, I know you've just been installed 3 to 4 weeks ago, but what benefits have you found already?
Well, I got my handover pack through within a week and got that off to my energy supplier. About 3 or 4 days later I was set up to export, and went onto the virtual power plant with Octopus energy, so the Tesla system just runs, they do everything for you, and they'll force export your battery between 4 and 7 to get you the most benefit out of it. I've been making probably about £7 a day in positive rather than paying them for my electric.
It's a nice change, isn't it?
Yeah.
And how was the installation process with our team?
Yeah, it was really good. They turned up on time, a good bunch of lads. The Sparkies, they done extra work. They ripped out some of the bits, put it exactly where I wanted. It wasn't the easiest to install, having to go under the house, everything like that. But yeah, all done in 2 days, so it was all good.
Yeah, well, that's the installation team. That's part of the reason why we're up here. The installations team as well said that you looked after them. I heard there was free pizza involved,
Yeah.
and you're doing a bit of work yourself. So the team just wanted to pass on a big thank you for you for the hospitality with them. So thanks. We didn't get much customers like you, so thanks very much. And why did you pick us in particular? Because I know that there would have been a few companies out there. So why AJ?
I probably got about 20 different quotes.
Oh, really?
Well, probably not. Probably about 10. I looked at national ones. I looked at very local ones, and I picked yourselves because I looked at your socials, looked at your reviews. They're a lot better than anywhere else. You're all accredited, and the price was good as well.
Oh, amazing. Well, thank you very much for your order. It's been a pleasure to complete your install.
No worries, mate.
Thank you.